Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram login error. Can't log in Instagram and getting a login error? Don't panic. Here how easy fix that can actually work. First, double check your details. Your username is correct. Your password has no spelling mistake. Turn caps locks off and try again. If you still want logged in, you can reset your password. On the lock screen, tap on forget password, choose email or phone number, then create a new password. Login error often happens because of weak internet. Trying switching Wi-Fi and mobile data or turn on airplane mode on, then turn it off. Using an older app version can block login. Go to the app store, search Instagram and make sure you are updated. If you are not, tap on update. App box can also stop your login. For that, go to your home screen, hold your Instagram icon, then tap remove app, then tap delete app, then reinstall it from your app store. Sometimes the problem isn't you. If Instagram server are down, no one can log in. Wait a few minutes and try again. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.